Hi everybody. Today I wanted to talk with you a little bit about spirit guides. So I believe that before we take our earthly bodies here, that we are in the astral realm and we have friends there and we have this path that we kind of write out for ourselves. And it's about learning lessons. Okay, so that's what I believe life is about. And we have these people on the astral plane that we show our plans for this life to. And we ask them to watch over us. Now, my favorite way, of course, of getting to talk to them and meet them is through out-of-body experiences. But let's say you haven't been able to leave your body yet and you still want to talk to your guides, but you're not sure how. There's a lot of divination techniques that can help with this. My favorite is through tarot. Okay, I believe that tarot provides a really great image in our minds for getting to know our guides, where later on in meditation or prayer you have that image, that focus to direct your thoughts to, which is a beautiful thing. So I have a spread here that just is about who your guide is and what your guide might want to say to you. I'm not going to share the whole spread with you, as some of it's personal, because I of course did one for myself here to just kind of give you a little taste of it, see if you're interested in this sort of technique. So the first card here is what represents my guide. Okay, so my guide here has masculine energy, and he's a little bit older, very protective. I get that feeling from him. And he's a go-getter. Okay, nothing's going to stop him. He's going to charge through no matter what the situation. And what's kind of funny about our guides is they're the ones that whisper in our ear. They are our gut feeling. So a lot of times we will take on the personality traits of our guide, because that's what we're hearing, all the time. And I would say this card's quite appropriate for me. So now I have that image when I do pray or meditate. I could think of the images on this card, and it makes me feel closer to my guide. I'll share another one with you. So this is how to be more open to receiving messages from my guide. Now this is the Whish card. So for me, this card is all about making your wishes known. And this card is telling me that my guide hears it when I do those affirmations, okay? My guide likes very clear communication. This isn't beating around the bush. It is saying, this is what I want. This is how I'm going to get it. This is what I have. So that's a very clear indication of manifestation for me, and something that I will actually think more about. Now, of course, there's other cards too, messages from your guide, what your guide is helping you with right now, things like that. So if you're interested in getting to know your guide a little bit better, tarot is a great way for doing that. Anyways, just wanted to bring that to your all's attention in case you are struggling with out-of-body work. And if you are, continue watching my videos and others on YouTube as well. Practice, practice, practice. Okay, there's no magic pill you can take, although people will say there is. And don't worry about, sorry, my camera's saying that there's issues here. There we go, fixed it. Don't worry if your pineal gland is dirty or anything like that. Just practice. That's all you have to do. And let me know if you have any questions or need any further help. Yeah, message me. All right. Thanks. Bye.